Want to keep your Microsoft Teams status green even when you're away from your computer? I built a free lightweight PowerShell tool that simulates real mouse activity. No clicking, no installs, and no admin rights needed. You just click 2 points on your screen and enter how long you want it to run. And it moves your mouse between these points to keep your system awake and your team status active. It even runs quietly in your system tray and you can exit anytime. No shady apps, no background spyware, just clean and simple PowerShell code you can inspect or customize. Download the executable free from the link in the description. And if this helps you, give it a like and consider subscribing.